And this week is the last week before student loan payments are set to resume, and this will be the first time since March of 2020 that nearly 44 million Americans are required to pay back money on their student loans. So a few things that you might need to remember and you need to know: loan repayment officially starts on October 1st, but borrowers will get their exact due date and payment amount sent to them.
Right, and that doesn't apply to borrowers who graduated this spring, by the way. They are typically still in that grace period when you just graduate, which is, I think it lasts about 6 months, 6 to 9 months after graduation.
Yeah, these tips, by the way, from Wells Fargo, and part of the expert advice is to adjust the payments to make sure that everybody's organized. So prepare, because you know this money's going to have to start coming out again. Make a list of your loans, the provider, the outstanding balance, and interest rates, so you know sort of the landscape of what you're getting ready to tackle. And speaking of tackling the loans, tackle the ones with the biggest interest rates first, because you don't want to just have that cyclical thing where you're just paying the interest if you can avoid it.
Yeah, and you can go to studentaid.gov if you're having trouble paying and you need to establish a new plan.
And the last thing you want to do is miss a payment, right? Because it could impact your credit score. So what you might want to do, since you haven't been in the habit of doing it for the last few years, maybe do automatic payment. Try to set that up so that it's going through automatically, and then if you have to, make that call to see if you can adjust it.
Yeah, definitely don't want to miss it.